guys, I am Pamela and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. This is, I am a doll, 18-inch doll and 14-inch doll pattern creator for crochet, and this is some of the outfits that I've made. And let's see, I love working on amigurumis, so you can see all the little amigurumis around everywhere. This is Link, if you like Zelda, Legend of Zelda. That is the Link doll I've created. I do have a tutorial on that. And if you like my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers that I have. Thank you for all the likes, the comments, and I just appreciate it so much. You guys keep me so encouraged and so excited to be able to even have this channel to give you guys because of the comments and things that you leave me. Keeps me going. Well, grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy WIP Caddy Wednesday. I am drinking Starbucks vanilla tea, coffee. Might as well be tea. It's a little weak today, but anyway, my cup says, "Let heaven and nature sing." And there we go. Isn't it just a beautiful cup? It's just beautiful. This was gifted to me, so thank you very much. I've had this for, I don't know, I think maybe I got it around Christmas or something. And it was from, I'm pretty sure this was from Dana. So thank you so much for that. It's just beautiful. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started on today's video. I did get my Hirschner's catalog in the mail, and look at this blanket. It's like, oh my gosh, I want to make that blanket. And those are my colors. I love that. They even have the turquoise in there. So I'm looking at that one. The Afghan kit is on sale, let's see, for $39.99. And the baby Afghan kit is on sale for $22.99. That's really cool. Or you could buy both for $47.98. Anyway, it's a really cool book of kits and stuff. I love Hirschner's. Guys, you know what? There was something I was going to do that was very important today, but I keep getting distracted by all of y'all's wonderful project ideas. So let's just roll the video and see all of your ideas, all of your inspirations that you have for us. Let's go. Now here we have Shannon with the Spoony Stitcher. She has a YouTube channel. I'll leave her link below. She's working out of the book called The Crochet Amigurumi for Every Occasion. And the little bird in the middle, she says that she's working as a baby gift for a friend of hers that's in the book. And the picture on the far right, she's using the Just Chanel, and she's making some of those cute little peeps that we all love. Thank you, Shannon, from the Spoony Stitcher, for sharing your projects with us. Now here's Rose's cart. She says that the top shelf is the same old stuff, but she does have a crochet rose from the Secret Yarnery on the top left. And the middle shelf is a new project wearable called Pebbled from Expression Fiber Arts. And the bottom shelf is the March knitting project for her fundraiser for St. Jude. Just a dishcloth, but it's coming along nicely, and she's learning to knit. Yay! I'm so proud of you. She said that you can also see her macrame plant hanger in the background along with her yoga mat. Oh, wow. I'm so proud of you, Rose. You got your yoga mat. That must mean you are doing some exercising. Okay, so now we have Katie's workspace. Katie, the first picture, Katie said that she just finished the poncho. That's my pattern. So I love that, Katie. Thank you so much for working one of my patterns. She used the Premier Sweet Rose in color Sugar Plum, and it is just beautiful. She's also working on 2 summer tops for the craft show, and those are the colors that you see down at the bottom. She's participating in May, and she's using the moss stitch for the green one and no pattern, and the pink one will have a round yoke top, and that sounds so pretty. They just look beautiful. And let's see, she just finished working a shawl called the Lotus Pattern by C.J. Brady that's on Ravelry. She said that it is a paid pattern, and it is just beautiful, Katie. Wonderful job. Thanks for sharing with us. Okay, now we have Julie's cart. She has a YouTube channel called Treasures Made from Yarn, so you can go check out her channel. She says that this is her WIP cart, that the top shelf is going to be another hanging sloth, and the middle shelf is her knitted temperature blanket for March, and the bottom shelf is the linen stitch shawl, and she's making a bag, and the basket on the floor has her year-long temperature scarf. Everything looks beautiful, Julie. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Okay, so now we have Cheryl's projects, and she says that the top shelf is another summer top for her daughter using my pattern. Aw, and the second shelf is a baby blanket, but all her shelves are filled with kitchen cotton. Thank you so much, Cheryl, for sharing that. It looks like you are going to be one busy crocheting lady. Okay, so now we have Kathleen's card. She says that the WIP Caddy's top shelf holds a man and a woman's hat, and the pattern is by Signonia Macaroni, plus yarn to make a new one. Jojo the Wobble Bunny with his basket and carrot, and a washcloth that she crocheted, plus a knit one for Easter gifts. Oh my gosh, they are just adorable, Kathleen. Love it. The middle shelf holds a pink scarf that she crocheted for charity and the applique pieces for her March basket decorations. And the bottom shelf holds a lighthouse in progress by Elisa Crochet and yarn to begin a lap blanket for the vets. And that's her March basket next to her cart holding lots of yarn waiting to be decorated. And she says for everyone to take care. Thank you so much, Kathleen. Everything is just beautiful, and I am loving your March basket projects and all the things you've got going. Okay, so here we have Channing's WIP cart, and oh my gosh, it looks beautiful with the yarn all lined up like that. I'm loving it. The top is her hooks and doll clothes patterns and her pattern holder. The project on the top shelf is the Tanya poncho in the velvet yarn in mint, and she will crochet another one in blue velvet yarn. And she's also crocheting 2 ear warmers to match the ponchos. And she said that the other 2 shelves containers have medium acrylic yarn for doll clothes, and in the bottom is also scraps so that she can use it for stripes and embellishments for the doll clothes. Thank you so much for sharing that. It is just beautiful. Now here we have Doreen's beautiful red cart. I love that this is red. Anyway, she says that on her first shelf she has crochet essentials on it, and the second shelf has the beginning of the Easy Crochet washcloth by me in peach and white, and the blue ombre is a friendship shawl by Jennifer Dixon on Fiber Flux, and the purple ombre is another one of Country's Cozy Afghans by Caron, and the third shelf is Red Heart Roll With It yarn for the Renor's Ripple Afghan. She loves the colors in this one so far, and so do we. They are beautiful. Hidden behind the yarn is her honey roasted almonds for snack time. That sounds so good right now. And the third shelf is some paid patterns that she has, and her iPad and charging cord. Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful projects with us. Wow, you guys got it going. I mean, that is some beautiful projects. Wow, just love it. If you would like your WIP Caddy to be displayed, or your WIP space that you got going on, and you would like to inspire others as well, please send it in. Facebook group page, email, send those to me, and I will put them in my WIP Caddy Wednesday videos. I do this every Wednesday. So you can't say I missed it because it's every Wednesday. So just send in those pictures, and I would be glad to add them to the slideshow to help encourage us. Just please always try to put where you got the pattern and that thing, just so that people know where to go to get the beautiful project that you're working on. All right, let's see. I am still working on my year-long monthly basket crochet along. I only got, I think, maybe 2 rows last night from yesterday when I talked to you guys. It was a full day yesterday. And, some of it's got to work on those taxes. April 14th or 15th, whatever day it is, it's coming up really quick. So instead of working on this like I was going to, I worked on taxes. But, that's life, right? Let's see, what else? Oh, and I showed these colors in another video. I'm using an L hook. Go watch yesterday's video. I show the colors. I show the hook size, which is an L. I show you a tip on how to keep your walls nice and stiff. So you got that. Yeah, go watch that video. I'll leave the link below to it. Other project that I am determined to get finished, I'm going to finish up the basket, and I'm going to finish this little cardigan up right here. It will be done. So this is all done here. All I got to do is the other sleeve and then trim around it, and this thing is done. So I'm pretty excited about this. I love these colors. I am using some yarn from Hobie called Friends Cotton 88 are the colors that I'm using for that. The pattern is a free pattern from Yarnspirations, and it is called Take It From the Top, Pull Over. Take It From the Top, Pull Over. And here it is. It's a free pattern. But I'll leave the link below for you guys anyway. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and listen to our daily devotional today. Lighthouses. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. That's Matthew 5:14 and 15. There's a good reason why lighthouses were built. For hundreds of years, they've shined brightly across harbors around the world, guiding ships safely to shore. The premise was simple. Put the light up high where it can easily be seen. Jesus is the light of the world. That light wasn't meant to be hidden away. It's meant to be put up high where everyone can easily see it. And as his followers, we are called to shine brightly for him in such a way that others can see it for themselves. We don't hide it away. We boldly light the way to Christ. God, help me not to hide my light. Give me boldness of faith to be a source of light for everyone who comes in contact with me. I want to shine brightly so others can step out of darkness and join me in your marvelous light. Well, guys, I guess that's all that I have for this video today. Just be awesome today and don't quit. Stay at it. You can do it. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day today. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.